Hello! So it's time for another DIY project. And this week I am going to do something different or that I haven't done for a long time. I haven't drawn or painted or anything for a long time. So if you can see, this is the bedroom space of my studio apartment. And there's an empty space up there that I want to fill up, but I don't want it to look too cluttered because I'm trying to be a minimalist. But at that side, I'm fine with that because it's all plants, it's all natural, so it can be as messy as it can be because those are just plants. But this side, this is my bedroom side, so I wanted to do something on that blank wall right there. And what I'm thinking is to do a self-portrait. Self-portrait. Am I being too ambitious? But anyways, I have something in mind. And what I have here is, this is the back of the cupboard I had dismantled to create those wall shelves right there. And then so we are going to do some painting today. Okay, it's quite dark. Let me turn on the light first. Okay, so I've got some brushes here. I have no clue which ones to use. The pointed ones or this angled ones. I have some acrylic here. So I want to use mainly black color. I was thinking of doing it black and white, but I don't have any white paint. So no, I do, but it's not for painting, it's for wall painting. But it's kind of dirty. Let me see if I can clean this up. And then I also have the option of using the back side. Maybe this is even better, I'm not sure. It also looks dirty, but let's see what we can do. Because if I have to color all the space here, it's gonna look even more dirtier, and I don't have enough. Okay, let me figure out what I'm gonna do with this.
Inside of me, it's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it, so cold yet warm. When you hold me, when you close, I know. Through the grave.
Decided to make it all black and white. I just have to clean that and figure it out. And so this is my self-portrait. Okay, I'll let this dry and then I'll hang this tomorrow and then maybe decorate the bedroom section of my apartment.
Obviously that will play out over the coming weeks, but I think obviously the focus for everyone is continuing to do the great work that the vast majority of people in the country are doing, which is following the directions, which is staying home. The process is how it can affect your mental state, how it can affect your decision making, how it can affect your thinking. And in that process, it is hard. There is no question that it's not easy. But as a scale of representation, the sacrifices that we're making now are not inordinate.
Gone mad. I'm gonna paint this. I've been meaning to paint this black for accent purposes. So finally did it. Though I'm just doing it with acrylic. I hope it's gonna be fine. Okay. I think I'm going overboard. But what the heck? Let's do this. I don't know how to make this whiter. I don't have any white paint or acrylic, so I'm happy with that. Okay, and then I'm just letting that dry, and then I'll hang up my self-portrait. I did it! Okay, done with my self-portrait DIY. It's not wonky. I don't think so. Okay, so I did it for 2 days. So, there. Is it centered? Okay, so I did that. My self-portrait. Yeah, that's me. Around 15 kilos lighter. With the curly hair. I tried to do the side shave, one boobie, leaning back in grass, I think. I didn't want to add much color to it because I like it to be just black and white, my ongoing theme. So I wish I had a bigger canvas, but I only had that plywood because, you know, we can't purchase anything, or maybe I can have it delivered, but no, I'll just make do with what I have. So that's what I have now. Thank you for watching. Bye.